If you want to connect earbuds or headphones into your Redmi 15, you can for sure do this. First of all, you will have to enter for the pairing mode on your device. So in the most cases, if you've got earbuds, you have to search for something like this. So this is the pairing button. You will have to click and hold this button. And in most cases, you will have to also open your case with both earbuds inside. And now, when your indicator is blinking, it means that you are in the pairing mode. So you will have to go into Bluetooth settings, open Bluetooth, make sure that you turn it on, and check for available devices list. If it's not working, you can also try to simply click on this button like this to turn off and turn on your Bluetooth, and now you can find your device when it will be visible, and you have to just accept this pairing request. Thanks for watching.